Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect Calendly to Zoom. First, log into your Calendly account, and then as you can see here, after logging in, you will see the integration and apps. Click on this. Then after clicking it, go to video conferencing. As you can see here, there are different applications that you can integrate to your Calendly account, which is Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and GoToMeeting. But for this video, we will be integrating Zoom. Click on the Zoom, and then you have a choice to connect your organization account or your company account or your personal account. So let's connect our Zoom personal account. And then it will redirect us to a page where you have to authorize Calendly to access your Zoom account. And that's it. As you can see here, our Zoom account is now connected to Calendly. So let's go back to event types. We will edit one of the meeting's location where we have to set Zoom as the location. Click on the settings icon and then click the edit button. After clicking it, click the event details and then go to location tab. Click the edit and then click the drop down and select Zoom and then update and then save and close. Now that's it. As you can see here, in the event details, we have set up Zoom as a location of this meeting. And that is how to connect your Calendly to Zoom, and thank you for listening.